Hello, glass enthusiasts and everyone else who just can't see through the smudges. It's Handy Home Hub. Making sure your home is so sparkling clean, you'll need sunglasses indoors. Before we dive deep into the world of glass, not literally, that's dangerous, smash that like button, subscribe, and tell us in the comments, ever walked into a glass door thinking it was open? Just us? Okay, moving on. Starting with shower screens. The place where water stains and soap scum throw more parties than a college dorm. Our secret weapon. White vinegar and water. Spray it on generously, dance to your favorite tune for a few minutes, then wipe it off. And for that extra flair, use an old newspaper to dry it off. Who knew newsprint was good for more than just yesterday's news? Onward to the kitchen. Glass hobs, the brave soldiers facing splatters and spills from our almost master chef moments. A mix of baking soda and water is your knight in shining armor. Apply it. Scrub with passion, and for that glossy finish, a dab of baby oil. Your hob will not only reflect your face, but also your impeccable taste in cleaning. Oven doors. The sneaky peek into the fate of our cookies, burnt or baked. Lemon juice and baking soda to the rescue. Spread it on, watch an episode of your favorite show, come back, scrub, and bam! A window to baking nirvana. Just remember, it cleans the door, not your baking skills. TVs, because watching a smudgy season finale is a bigger twist than the actual plot. A gentle swipe of distilled water on a microfiber cloth and you're good. Wipe in circular motions, and if you're seeing streaks, it's not a new streaming feature, just wipe again. Laptops collecting more fingerprints than a crime scene. Mix rubbing alcohol and water, then gently wipe. Pro tip, coffee filters. Not just for your caffeine fix, but for a smudge-free screen. Who knew your morning brew held so many secrets? Glass tables, supporting more than just our food and clutter. Club soda. It's not just your mixer, it's your cleaner. Spray, wipe, and marvel. Got scratches? A smidge of toothpaste can help. Minty fresh breath and a fresh table. What a deal. Windows, our gateway to spying on squirrels in the backyard. A concoction of cornstarch, white vinegar, and water will do wonders. For an aromatic touch, a drop of lavender or lemon essential oil. Clean windows and a home that smells like a spa. Yes, please. And for those fragile glasses and vases that have seen better days, rice, water, and a bit of vinegar. Swirl, rinse, and it's like you've traveled back in time to the day you bought them. That's a wrap. With these shiny hacks, you won't just see the difference, you'll be the difference. If you've had a glass-tastic time, share and stay tuned for more tips, tricks, and occasional trips into glass doors with Handy Home Hub.